guys, welcome back to Burst of Sunshine. Welcome back, and by welcome back I mean welcome back to me, because I had to take a break, but I'm back. It's 2019, and actually it's technically 2018 as I'm recording this. I have loads of video ideas ready to go. I've already started on some of them, so I'm ready to hit 2019 running. I've got DIYs, I've got cakes, I've got just different projects, I've got some just random crap, just whatever. I'm pretty excited. I have all these video ideas and I've already started on a lot of them, and I'm just ready to start uploading them for you guys and let you guys start seeing them and get back on track and back to my normal self, uploading regularly, like once a week if I can. It is a little bit kind of difficult with a little baby, but I am totally trying to get a bunch of videos ready for you guys so that way I can hit the ground running in 2019. I have some awesome DIYs coming up. I already have one working on for next week, and it is awesome. I'm super excited and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So make sure, if you're not subscribed already, you hit the subscribe button. I got some DIYs coming at you very, very, very soon. And not only is it a new year for Burst of Sunshine, but it's a new year for me because I now have a baby, which I told you guys in some of my previous videos that I was pregnant. I don't think I've actually made a video since I've had the baby. So yeah, she is 3 months old now, and you are going to get to meet her today. I just want to say thank you for hanging out and sticking around while I took my little break and worked on some stuff. And I'm glad you're still here. I'm glad to be back. I hope you're glad I'm back, and I'm ready to just get started. So if you're new here, subscribe for some DIYs, some cake videos, some projects, some crafts, some personal stuff, maybe some healthy videos, just, you know, all of it. So without further ado, what you probably came to this video to see, my beautiful baby. Let's meet Rosie. All right, for the moment that you've been waiting for, this is Rosie. Oh goodness. As you can see, it's not yet Christmas. As I'm recording this, it's in a couple of days. So we're super festive for the holidays. Rosie, look at the camera. She was born in September, and this here, oh yeah, stand up for me. And this here is why I've been gone and why I've not been uploading and what's been keeping me busy. She just messed up my schedule all over the place, but she was worth it. What you doing? Yes, you're so gorgeous. You can say hi to everybody. Say hi, welcome to Burst of Sunshine. What are you doing? Tell them say hi, say hi. Say welcome to Burst of Sunshine. I just wanted you guys to meet little Rosie and see what the big break was all about. But we're back. That is it. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week. So we'll see you next week for a really cool, really pretty, really awesome DIY video. Yes, DIY. All right, we'll see you guys next week. Bye. Ooh.